guys, so today we're going to be making snow ice cream with our sleet and snow and ice kind of mix. So we're going to see how it turns out. We've been getting a lot the past few days here in Texas with the winter storm that's blowing through. So we thought it'd be fun to make some snow ice cream because we haven't yet. So we're going to first start by scooping up some fresh snow. Once your bowl is full, you're going to add a can of sweetened condensed milk. Looks so good. And then you're going to add some vanilla bean paste. And then you're just going to mix that up. Once it's all combined, you can either add chocolate sauce or some kind of thing on top if you'd like, or you can just scoop it into a bowl and enjoy. And there you have it, Texas snow ice cream.